Space isn't for the weak. It's not even for the strong, it's for the unbreakable. But have you ever wondered what it really takes to survive beyond Earth? Would you pass the test to become one of humanity's pioneers on Mars? Astronaut selection isn't just about intelligence or fitness. It's about resilience, adaptability, and the ability to thrive under pressure. And as we prepare for deep space missions, the definition of the perfect astronaut is evolving. Let's dive into what it takes to be the future of space exploration. Becoming an astronaut has never been about just throwing on a spacesuit and snapping cool zero-gravity selfies. It's a brutal, high-stakes test of endurance, intellect, and adaptability. And as spaceflight has evolved, from the daredevil test pilots of the Mercury program to today's scientist explorers prepping for Mars, the selection process has only gotten more intense. Back in the day, astronauts were pretty much elite fighter pilots with nerves of steel, because early spacecraft were glorified tin cans strapped to giant explosions. But as missions got more complex, agencies like NASA and ESA started recruiting engineers, doctors, and even social scientists. Because surviving in space isn't just about dodging asteroids, it's about thriving in one of the most hostile environments imaginable. Physical fitness is still crucial, of course. Yeah, space literally messes with your vision. That's why astronaut candidates need to be in near-perfect health, with no major medical issues and an ability to handle extreme physical stress. But here's the kicker. Being physically strong isn't enough. Imagine being locked in a floating tin can for 6 months with the same small crew, no fresh air, and a 40-minute delay on every message from home. Psychological stability is everything. Astronauts are screened for their ability to stay calm under pressure, work seamlessly in teams, and not lose their minds when the only weekend getaway is staring at Earth through a porthole. The selection process itself is brutal. Thousands apply, only a handful make it. Hopefuls go through written exams, medical screenings, stress tests, and survival training in extreme environments. If you think your job interview was tough, try spending hours underwater in a spacesuit, enduring high G-forces in a centrifuge, or learning Russian because, Soyuz spacecraft don't come with Google Translate. And now, with private spaceflight companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin in the mix, astronaut selection is evolving again. And let's not forget space tourism. While today's space tourists are mostly billionaires with a need for speed, these early commercial flights are setting the stage for a future where anyone might have a shot at seeing the cosmos up close. Looking ahead, the people who will actually live on Mars won't just be astronauts. They'll be pioneers, scientists, and problem solvers who can handle anything from a busted oxygen generator to an unexpected dust storm. The ultimate requirement? Humanity's future off-world depends on picking the right people for the job. And as our space ambitions grow, so too will the definition of what makes the perfect astronaut. I'll leave you to discuss in the comments. If you had the chance, would you go to Mars? And if so, what skill would you bring to the table? You can support us by subscribing if you haven't already. Take care of yourselves, take care of your loved ones, and I'll catch you soon in another video.